Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Blaine, Washington. This is my grandparents' kind of little getaway house. We're right on the border of Canada, just 30 miles from Vancouver, BC. I know there's a lot of big time Amazon FBA gurus up in Vancouver like Stephen James and some other big guys, but we're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna try and show you guys some drone footage in this video, as well as maybe getting my grandma or grandpa on cam for some live action talking about the old days. So shh, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're inside. I'm gonna give you kind of a little tour, MTV Crib style. Let's go check it out. You got Tucker down there. Tucker's the OG, he's the homie. Let's see what we got in here in the great room. What? Yeah, you guys ever want to meet up? Over here we can do a big Amazon meetup. Let's go get a closer look. There's even some bald eagles that have a nest up here. It's really, really cool. I like to come up here and kind of relax, get away from it all. Hey, say what's up, grandparents. What's up?
Hi there.
Yeah. We're gonna get grandma on camera later. She's gonna say what's up. So this is where I like to come and kind of just kick it. And I mean, Washington is a really great state. There's not too many other places I'd like to live in the world. But if I could tell you one of my big goals right now, it's gonna be to use my home that I'm living at kind of with my family right now as a home base and not really pay rent anywhere. Ooh, I can hear the bald eagles up there, they're chirping. I'm gonna live at home and actually just go travel around the world. I wanna do this, live in Spain for 4 months, go to Bali for 4 months, and just kind of explore the world. And then when I'm finally ready to come back to the United States, find a nice place to come and settle down and then start paying for rent. But I don't think it makes any sense to go pay for rent when I'm just gonna leave the country if I plan to travel around. So get a good look at this, guys. Absolutely amazing. This camera's shooting in 4K right now, so if you guys notice any difference, drop it in the comments. And I hope to also get on a live stream while we're up here, so stay tuned for that. I'll be here for 2 more days. Stay tuned for some more drone footage, guys. I thought I'd share a little bit more about the goals and the kind of the long-term perspective I want to really conquer and have under control. And the whole reason I started this whole Amazon FBA business in the first place, guys, it's basically to just have that time freedom. It's gonna be to be able to travel around the world, to do what I want on my own watch whenever I want to. There's no other business model out there that's really as passive as Amazon FBA. And by passive, I mean, once you get it up and running and you got your product selling, you literally are making money with no work at all. You can work 1 hour a week. It doesn't require much work after that. And after that point, you can keep scaling up more products and come kick it out at the beach. And that's the life I'm setting out on, guys. If you want to join me, you guys are more than welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. Go check the links down below for our Facebook group. Come join that. I even have an Amazon course. I'm here trying to help people. I want to provide my students with the best learning experience that they can possibly have so that they themselves can embark on the journey just as I did. I started a YouTube channel. I did Amazon FBA, grew both of these business platforms at the same exact time, and it's now leading me to have 2 businesses that I'm proud to say that I'm doing, and I'm not gonna be giving up. That's one thing I've learned as a skateboarder. I've never given up. I've always strived to do the best in whatever I do, and I set out for it and I conquer it. I hope you guys can feel this message and relate to it a little bit, because if you look at me, I'm just kind of like you guys. I mean, I went to school, graduated, and I felt like my self-worth was not going to be everything that I thought it was going to be when I entered the job world. I realized I'm just another cog in the wheel in this big society, big scheme of things, where the human life doesn't seem like it's worth much. I figured out the best thing I could possibly do is just take my life into my own hands, make my own choices and decisions, and grow a business from the ground up. Just after watching a few mentors on YouTube like Tanner Fox. It's only a year I've been doing this, guys, and it's literally changed my life. I hope you guys enjoy this and enjoy more future content from this channel, because this is what I'm bringing, guys. I'm bringing positivity, optimism, and a ton of different tutorials on this channel about how to start your own Amazon FBA business and do the best you possibly can in it. So again, guys, if you like the video, just throw a thumbs up and enjoy some more of this footage. What do you think of making money online?
I think that making money online is an excellent idea, providing you've got the right product, and I think there's no end to what you can sell.
What else is so cool about online business?
Well, another thing that come to my mind is it's a very exciting profession to be selling online, because all of a sudden it pops up, oh, I sold another product, and you never know when those sales are coming in, and you're always upbeat when you say, oh, another one.